Some of those towels are not even mine, they're the kids' towels. Some of the, I don't like coloured towels anymore, I like just white tiles. The kids' room, because their room is dark blue, they can have their coloured blue and green towel, which is actually the theme in there. Blue, green and yellow and gold is the theme in their room. The orange towel is mine, but I'm going to be changing that into a normal white towel really soon. But they need hooks for their room to put up their towels. So
when we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
I have a small dilemma. This food basket, it has no place in the kitchen, it's too tall. Where it was before, it was crowding because I had food basket, and on top of that I had like a little tray that I drain all the dishes on, and like yeah, it was just cramped up. Past like 2 weeks, it's literally just been on the breakfast table. Got an idea that I want to separate it. Half of it is gonna go on the table, it's gonna stay on the table, and the other half is probably gonna go over there. We definitely need it, so I'm gonna make it look pretty. So let me do this.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
This is so hard.
Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Now I am nearly finished cleaning the kitchen. Yeah, these things, I've decided that, well, originally they were up there with the kitchen sign, and because I've got the lemon trees, fake lemon trees, I've decided that I think these will still work well up there next to them. I think they still would work well, so I'm going to put them back up there. Yeah. Lastly, my candy machine that I got from Flying Copenhagen Tiger. Seriously, I know. So I'm just going to stock it up again because I feel like it looks really pretty. There you go.